Let's say good morning to the pups. Good morning, dogs. Good morning, Cooper. Hi. Good morning, Max. Good morning. Aw. Have you been sleeping so good? Are you ready to get up and go outside and see the sunrise? Good morning, Bubba. Hi. Hi. Everybody's a Bubba in my life. Yes, everybody's a Bubba. Are you ready to go outside, Max? Okay. Oh, but somebody needs his pill real fast. We'll do that in a second. Let's go outside to see the sunrise. Let's go outside and go potty. Oh, such good pups. Such good pups. Sun has risen. We got up late this morning. We had a bit of a late start. But we're here. This house is so pretty. And the land around is beautiful. Good job, you guys. Way to go, bud. Way to go. Yay! All right. Yeah. Good job. Oh, he's excited. He's excited.